I've recently discovered JamDoughnut, which is an app that gives instant cashback on purchases that you make in-store and online. Here I'm just purchasing a Primark e-gift card on the app, which gave me £3 cashback and a £2 welcome bonus. Now, you all know that I absolutely love a bargain and I love shopping in Primark, but I love it even more when I'm saving money on the pieces that I purchase. If you're out and about shopping, you can use the geolocation button at the bottom of the app and it will show you all of the places that you can earn cashback and how much you'll earn while you're out and about, so that you can plan your shopping trip. And you can also download any vouchers while you're out and about so that you can use them in the shop whilst you're there. I found some gorgeous pieces in Primark while I was shopping. There were some lovely summer bits and holiday bits, so I did pick a few bits up, which I will show you in another video. It's as easy as getting the voucher up on your phone, taking it to the checkout and scanning it, and the points will show on your app immediately. This is my JamDoughnut wallet, which currently has £5 in there. I just need another £5 to be able to cash out.
Jam, jam, jam.
Ka-ching!
JamDoughnut.